There's an umbrella on my street today, alone and lost in a puddle's bay. Colors faded, but stories shine bright, waiting for sunshine to end the night. Once it danced with storms in the air, twisted and turned without a care. Now it rests by the sidewalk edge, holding on to memories on a weathered ledge. Hey, lonely umbrella, don't you cry. The rain's got secrets in the sky. Tomorrow's dawn will dry your tears. We'll find new storms, conquer the fears. People pass, they don't even see the little umbrella by the old oak tree. Once a hero in a whirlwind spin, now just a shadow where dreams begin. But look closely, find a charm inside, a tale of rainbows where you reside. Picked up by a child's curious hand, you'll be dancing again across the land. Hey, lonely umbrella, don't you cry. The rain's got secrets in the sky. Tomorrow's dawn will dry your tears. We'll find new storms, conquer the fears. Don't you cry. The rain's got secrets in the sky. Tomorrow's dawn will dry your tears. We'll find new storms, conquer the fears.